Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set password on Windows 10. If you are tired of having an open and unprotected computer, today I will be showing you how to set a password on your Windows 10 account to ensure the security of your personal information. So let's get started. Now click on the Windows Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on the Settings icon. In Settings window, click on the Accounts option. Now click on the Sign In option tab. Now you have to click on this Password option and then click on Add. Now enter your desired password in the New Password and Confirm Password fields. Enter something in Password Hint that's related to your password. Now click on the Next option and click Finish. So that's it. You will now be able to log into your Windows 10 account with your new password. In the end, if this video is somewhat helpful to you, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.